Hello, everyone. My name is Jose Giron from the ActiveCampaign IT team. Yeah, a little overview of kind of the onward on-link perspective on what we were looking for, and a big challenge on the IT side was we were trying to get away from using spreadsheets. We were still using spreadsheets for inventory assets, trying to track a lot of the damaged machines that we have deployed. ActiveCampaign as a whole is a global company, so we have a lot of assets in a lot of places. So we were just trying to figure out how can we just bring everything in that we currently have into one solution. So at the time, we upgraded our Atlassian Jira Service Management to a enterprise or premium tier, which gave us access to assets. So within there, I was kind of looking for solutions and discovered the Onward OnLink app via the marketplace. Saw the kind of like the demand and what would be needed to get that approved on our side. So kind of went with it, right? I looked at everything that OnLink was providing and figured it would be a great solution. Plus, our HRIS as well is Workday. So I figured let's go straight from the Workday side of things to get information kind of like who the user is, their shipping address since we have to ship out laptops, their location. So obviously based out of the US or EMEA or LATAM for our global employees. And all that is currently already in our Workday instance. So yeah, we felt like OnLink was the perfect solution for our challenge of combining everything. So reached out to the team at OnLink. They gave me fantastic feedback and support. So we were able to integrate our HRIS Workday straight into assets using the OnLink app. And then within there, once I started to get employee data, a couple customizations to just get different text fields. And I think that allowed us to then say, let's go into the Kandji side of things to then pull kind of similar information. So yeah, that was, as I mentioned about the challenge of using spreadsheets. We are now away from spreadsheets and all into assets with the help of OnLink. This now gives us Kandji information. This gives us the Intune information as well for our Windows devices on top of the HRIS Workday reports that we are pulling as well. This way we can merge and give me employee A has asset 1, 2, 3 assigned to them. We can now have a better viewpoint for reporting on where we have assets currently. We can set different statuses as well within the assets platform in Atlassian. And yeah, I think it's been rolled out for the company now for a little over 2 months. We've seen huge improvements on just ticket count as well. This allows us to get more accurate information when shipping out devices. We can have better reporting on if we're at a low stock. And that's all thanks to the OnLink application. So yeah, that challenge has been somewhat kind of checked off, and the business benefit of the Onward app is just being able to now have one home for all our assets, and just being able to just go into a specific asset, find the serial number, for example, and make those changes, for that specific asset.
Perfect. Yeah, I can give you the shared access, Jose, if you'd like to share your screen.
Perfect. So just a quick little rundown. Let's see if I can move. So this is just an example of, this is a schema that we have that's pulling from OnLink's Kandji's integration to assets. So this is just giving us pretty much all the basic information that we are currently looking for in in Kandji, and just giving us a dump of all that information. The cool thing with OnLink is that they give you the opportunity to run this report or run this sync manually or off of a automation. So we're running this, for example, on a day-to-day basis. All that could be done via the OnLink app. And the cool thing that we could also do is start integrating this with our customer portal. So, for example, myself here wants to report a damaged asset, and here are all the assets that are assigned to me based off of the OnLink app integration from Kandji to assets. So those are just an example of kind of what OnLink can do. Once you get all this information into assets, obviously that's where the customization comes in from Atlassian to start making those cool features with this drop down. So this was kind of a headache on my end to figure out. So if anyone is having an issue with this or has any questions, please let me know. I can share kind of the back end of this custom field that's pulling that information. But that's just one use case, right? Of once you get asset information into assets, how to pull that via a customer portal.